All right, picture this. You're biting into a crisp, juicy apple, the kind that crunches perfectly and tastes like pure sunshine. Or maybe you're popping a handful of blueberries and one bursts in your mouth, sweet and tangy all at once. Ever wonder how these fruits got so perfect, so full of flavor and color? Well, let me spill a little secret. The real heroes behind your favorite fruits are bees. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bees? Those buzzing little insects that always seem to crash your picnics or hover around your lemonade? Yep, but get this. They're not just flying around aimlessly. They're on a mission, working harder than you might imagine. When a bee visits a flower, it's actually collecting nectar to bring back to its hive, which it'll turn into honey. But that's just the beginning of the story. But here's the magic part. While it's digging around for nectar, pollen sticks to the bee's fuzzy body, clinging to its legs and back like tiny golden dust. And as it zooms off to the next flower, it drops some of that pollen off, letting the flowers cross-pollinate. Boom! Fruit happens! This simple act is what allows plants to make seeds and grow the fruits we love. You might not see it happening, but every time bees bounce from blossom to blossom, they're matchmaking plants, helping them reproduce and thrive. Without bees, a lot of your favorite fruits just wouldn't exist. Apples, cherries, peaches, watermelons, even almonds. Bees are responsible for pollinating over 90 different food crops, making them essential to our diets. Over a third of the food you see at the grocery store? Thank a bee for that. From the juiciest berries to the crunchiest cucumbers, bees are working behind the scenes to fill our plates. Let's zoom in on strawberries for a second. A perfectly shaped strawberry means every single one of those tiny seeds got pollinated, thanks to bees doing their rounds. Each visit from a bee helps the berry grow plump and even. If bees are missing, you'll get weird, lopsided berries. Not so Instagram-worthy, right? Misshapen fruit is a sign that not enough pollination happened. But here's the twist. Bees aren't just helping plants, they're helping us too. Their work supports farmers, gardeners, and everyone who loves fresh, healthy food. More bees mean bigger harvests, tastier fruit, and healthier ecosystems. When bees are around, crops yield more and the food tastes better. When bees thrive, so do birds, small mammals, and people. All connected. Bees help create habitats and food for countless other creatures, not just us. So what can you do? If you want to help bees keep the fruit coming, plant flowers in your yard, skip the pesticides, and choose native plants that bees love, or set up a bee hotel. These little shelters give solitary bees a safe place to rest and lay their eggs, boosting local bee populations. Even a little wild patch by your window could make a difference. Every flower counts, and even small spaces can become bee havens. Next time you enjoy a bowl of fruit salad, remember, every bite is a little gift from the busiest workers on Earth. Without bees, our meals would be a lot less colorful and a lot less delicious. The secret life of bees isn't just about honey, it's about making the world sweeter, one flower at a time. Their tiny wings keep our world blooming and our tables full. Thanks for tuning in. And hey, next time you see a bee, give it a silent thank you. Maybe even pause to watch it work for a moment. They're the tiny superheroes behind every fruity treat you love. So let's do our part to help them keep buzzing, pollinating, and making life a little sweeter for all of us.